Hi and welcome. Let's have a look on the effects section. You have 3 effects on the panel and 2 more effects in the menus. You have access to the effect menu by clicking on the effect button. And you can choose different effects, though every effect can be applied only once within a patch, so you cannot have like 2 delay effects. I don't want to talk about every single effect in detail, but just as an important information, the effects like reverb may have different parameters depending on which preset you choose. So the ping pong delay or the long and soft delay have parameters for delay left and right. The synchronized delay does have different parameters, and so on. Many effect parameters can be synchronized to the internal BPM, and many effect parameters can also be modulation destinations within the modulation matrix, like for instance the delay time. Every effect can be turned on and off very easily with the activation knob. The maybe most important effect is not the reverb or the delay, but the equalizer. With the equalizer you can have the final control over your sound. For instance, when you want a very atmospheric sound, you can remove all the low frequencies. Many people are using the quantum endless reverb for atmospheric sounds because it's almost not important which audio source you're using. It always sounds very interesting. There's one thing you should know about the effects and the modulation matrix. Let's have a look. As modulation destinations, you can choose the FX parameters, like parameter dry and control for effect 1. But instead of treating the effects like effect 1, 2 and 3, you can also choose the effects by choosing them by their name. So for instance, you can change the chorus, dry and wet, depth, phaser parameter, flanger, reverb, and so on. So because every effect can be applied just once, it's well defined which effects will be in the modulation destination. I hope you enjoyed this little video about the effects. If you're interested in a very detailed overview about the effects section, just leave a comment. And if you enjoyed this video, make a like. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.